twos.
Mountain climbers. They do have two different ways that I see people do it. I'm gonna show you the technique that I personally enjoy. You wanna place your toes about equal distance between the top and the bottom. And then you wanna be light on the slide. It's not something you wanna truly dig into too rough and too hard. You don't wanna move too quickly on this exercise. You'll see a lot of people speeding through it. Take your time on this one. You know, you're not gonna be able to rush to get those abs. So take your time, focus on the technique, focus on the breathing. That's the ultimate goal of this exercise. Drive your knees, don't overdrive them. You will see people occasionally drive their knees well past where they need to be. What we're gonna do when we stay out flat, we're driving our knees just over 90 degrees and we're driving back because the goal is to stay tight the whole exercise. I don't wanna see this because you're just bouncing. With that bouncing, you're engaging and disengaging, engaging and disengaging. It's not as consistent in a quality as just keeping it tight, slow and consistent. And moving at the pace that you feel comfortable, my core is engaged with no bounce. That's what I'm looking for on this technique. Ankles 90 degrees, slow and controlled. It's okay to take a break, get back in position and make sure it's quality. And the goal is to take it from a minute to a minute 30 to 2 minutes.